Welcome to your new WordPress Web 2.0 website that the Home Staging Resource has set up for you. I hope you're really excited because this new platform will allow you to do some amazing things to your website and take your website from what used to be just an HTML brochure that let people know about you to something that's interactive and collaborative with the clients that come to your website. And there's a lot of crazy things you can do, but I'm going to show you how just getting it set up and started in 6 easy steps is all you really need to do to just get it set up and going as you're going through this training. Maybe a little bit down the road, you'll want to do our 5-day boot camp to take it to the next level, add the email marketing plugin, or even upgrade to our premium multi-theme packages. But for right now, let's just get your website, get you familiar with it, and get a little bit set up for you. I suggest that as you're listening to these tutorials, that you have your internet open to your new WordPress login page that was emailed to you from the web admin after you had submitted your website form and after you had pointed your domain servers. Those are a couple things you want to do first. And you should also have another internet page open that actually is of your website. So in this example, we are doing Staging San Diego, which is stagingsd.com. This is for CJ, and we're also now in her WordPress dashboard login page, which is, for all of you, it would be your domain /WP admin. If you go there, you will find a login. You need your login information, so let's get you in. I suggest when you do log in, you always have the system remember you. If you can't remember your password, of course, you can always click here and it'll email it to you once we've already set it up for you. So first things first, let's log in. You'll notice that once CJ is logged in, if you were to go to your internet website and click on a page, it registers that she is now logged in and now has control over her page. And if you notice, this little edit button came up. So when WordPress remembers you at any time when you go to your website, you're going to see this button. Nobody else will if you're logged in, and you can always at any time click on that button. It'll take you back to your dashboard to edit that page. I don't want to scare you yet, so we're not going to get into that yet. Let's go to the dashboard for a little bit of an overview. At any time, there is a Home Staging Resource button here that you can click that'll take you immediately to your website so that you can see any changes that you make. The most important thing about this opening dashboard, which this is WordPress, it's a blogging platform primarily, but now most companies are using it to manage regular websites. That's the amazing part of this amazing software. But so you're never really going to probably use the quick press, and this is just a dash, shows you how many pages HSR created for her, categories, and posts. The most important areas that you're going to want to know and get familiar with is this left-hand side. Posts are blog posts when you're ready to start a blog, and that's a future tutorial, kind of a next steps. Media, this stores any images that you have uploaded and you want to put into your pages. Links, same thing, just has links. The most important sections that we're going to be looking at in these future 6 steps is setting up your pages, setting up your appearance of your site and your widgets. What are widgets? Widgets are these sidebars right here that we have already set up for you. These are the pages that we have set up. These are the widgets that we set up. Widgets, and then we'll look at plugins, which are just cool tools. They're free open source tools that you can add and plug into your website, kind of a next steps. And users, which we're going to go to that next for some security settings onto your website. The Home Staging Resource has already included great plugins and settings. We've already set up your website. We've already installed the WordPress. We've already done the technical aspects to your website. So really all you need to do is get in and change any pages, bold things, change text, whatever you want to, or you can just leave it alone because what you gave us, we already set up. So hopefully this kind of familiarizes you with your WordPress dashboard. Move on to the next step. Step 2, where we actually step 3, where we actually do some security measures on your website. Thank you.